quick impromptu video. So driving down, noticed there was a little too much play on my steering wheel, and upon inspection I noticed that like I moved the, how you check it is you move the steering column and then you see where is the play at. So I saw that this was slapping back and forth, and you know, it was too much play. So you know, I like doing stuff myself, so I went ahead and you know, hit it with an impact wrench, took it off, and then you know how much of hell it is to take out the ball joints in cars. So I hit it with a hammer, hit it with a 5-pound hammer, nothing. I even hit it on the side here, and I put a jack on top of it, putting pressure up, and hit it, and nothing worked. So I just went down to Advanced Auto Parts, and I rented this little kit here, which it came with this little ball joint puller. You know, put it in upside down and push on it, and it, you know, release that one there, and then put it here and then release that one there, which is, this is how it's supposed to be. You know, that's nice. Well, that's actually nicer, yeah, but you can like straight out see what you don't want to see on this. There was too much play on that, you know. Just giving you a heads up, you know, like you like doing stuff yourself on your tractor like I do. I know there's a lot of leak right there. I put a leakage around it, so yeah, you know, just, you know, giving people an ideas. You know, like I know I like watching YouTube videos about, you know, stuff doing yourself, and you know, help out somebody else. All right, peace.